Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're looking at Popcat on Solana. We're going to do a bit of news, information, price analysis, what I think could happen with this meme coin, and also summarize some other meme coins in the market in this particular video and do a bit of a highlight. In this video we're also going to do the numbers game, which if you're new here, there's going to be a number that pops up on the screen at any point during this video. If you can find the number, which will flash up for around half a second, and comment that number in my Discord channel in the numbers game channel, you will win the equivalent amount that you see on the screen in dollars. So be on the lookout for a number during this one as well. And it says hop right in. Popcat Solana, $558 million market cap at the moment. You can see the previous market cap all-time high was just sly of $1 billion. Over here we can see we've got 979 million Popcat tokens. So this is a Solana based ecosystem. 57.5k followers on Twitter, pushing quite frequently, getting quite a lot of overall impressions, engagement here from their community. So yeah, a lot of organic growth here and a lot of, I would say, degens are definitely heavily geared towards this particular token. So Popcat, wow. I mean, look at that. You're just literally clicking. That is how simple this coin is. That's all you need these days to make something with so-called fundamentals. But this is what we're looking at, Popcat. So it's come down from 0.75 over the last month, hit a low of $0.49. So we could be looking at a new sort of entry point here, and just looking at the overall charts and analysis for this coin. Yeah, it's still up wild amounts from when it kind of first incepted around February. It's still up massive 40x amount. You can see recently, early August this year, it did blip down to a support level of 0.39. So we can really see that the 0.39 region for this coin, you know, when there's fear in the markets, when things are going bad, is a big corrective point. But actually this time round, during the crash early this September, for the worst month in cryptocurrency, we've not really seen a harsh correction for Popcat. We came down to $0.46, which isn't typically too bad. So, you know, what's going to happen next? Could this be a giant falling wedge that we're now seeing on the screens? We are kind of trading in a bit of a, I would say, an ascending channel that you can see here, and we have got a big resistical barrier over here at $0.68. So I do think we could return to the sort of 70 cents region, maybe a 25% movement to the upside. Something like that could be very possible. Got to remember, folks, that September is such a bearish month. Looking at CoinGlass here, the overview, which reflects the performance of Bitcoin, August and September are pretty much always the worst. And then October, things tend to flash green again. There's more market momentum, market makers switch on, and the whales and the smart money switch back on in the market. So we probably are going to see a good October. The chances of it being bad are very slim based on historical data over here. But yeah, Popcat, would I be buying this coin? The market accessibility, we're mostly looking at some tier 2 exchanges. We've got MEXC, you know, got BingX, got Bybit, a few others, and most of the liquidity is coming through what looks like, I would say, the exchanges versus the DEX is definitely getting way more. Well, actually, Orca's getting a lot. The DEX there is getting a lot of volume. But yeah, overall, if you want to grab this on a centralized exchange, make sure you use my MEXC link down below, or the KSX1, should you wish to mitigate trading fees and unlock trading bonuses for yourself. So pretty cool coin, I would say. It's going to take a while to see this get back to $1, and I do think it will require a lot of retail FOMO, and of course more of a bull run to actually get there. So if we see Bitcoin start going into 70, 80k territory, I think, you know, then we can see the reawakening of a lot of altcoins and meme coins in the market at the moment. Not a terrible time to buy it, but of course it's still possible to go down lower, and by the time we do get to the next bear market, we will indeed see like a classic 70 to 90% correction for this particular coin right here. If you guys are also looking for trading signals like the ones you can see on screen, and also unlock early alpha calls, new information about pre-sales, ICOs, meme coins, and degen plays in the market, please do check out my Patreon. There's only 3 crypto legends available now. We're selling very fast. This will help you achieve time, location, and financial freedom in the cryptocurrency market. So yeah, be sure to check out the Patreon, all linked down below if you want to get those VIP benefits in the Discord channel. Now, looking at meme coins overall, the value of memes has dropped to $37 billion. The high for memes this year was $61 billion, and the all-time macro high ever for memes was $90 billion during the wave of COVID, which I would probably say is quite anomalous because everyone was at home, didn't have much to do, kick your socks off, drinking beer, you know, you're bored, you just chucking money at degenerate things, and in this case it could have been cryptocurrency. And I imagine also online, because, you know, like betting games and game sites like that also had the same thing happen. There's probably a massive wave of bored people just degenerately pumping money into certain areas where they shouldn't be. Anyway, looking at memes, on the 7-day, a lot of low caps are getting a nice bounce back. These low caps are often very risky, high risk, not a lot of volume, not usually fully doxed, KYC'd, and they're very volatile. Looking at the top coins, we can see Doge up a little bit on the 24 hours, 2%, Shiba up 1%, Pep up 1.77%, and a few others, just chilling. Dogecoin still the leader by a whole 2x on Shiba Inu, which is absolutely insane to see. So yeah, my take on Doge right now, $0.22, all-time high of this year. And the major all-time high was 68 cents. I truly don't think we're going to get back there. I don't think we will see a $90 billion Dogecoin again in terms of market cap. But who am I to say, this could easily happen if certain people talk about it and push it again, like Elon Musk. But yeah, for me, I wouldn't be getting into Dogecoin looking to get a 5x. So yeah, barometer of the meme market, I would say. See on the year, it has been in a macro downtrend. And I actually think coins like Pepe Coin will overtake in terms of real performance, in terms of ROI for every $100 that you put into, a coin. I think Pepe is going to be a better choice moving forwards in the future. Lower market cap, $3 billion, already hit a market cap all-time high of $7 billion. And I think it will go to $10+ billion in the next sort of meme mania phase. Shiba Inu, I do feel bad for a lot of Shiba Inu holders. This thing flew from $5 billion up to $20 billion market cap very, very quickly earlier this year in March. And since then, it's just been a huge downtrend. So there's two ways you can kind of look at it. Is it a good entry for new investors? Probably it could be. It's down quite a lot. But if you also bought the top and you're waiting to get out, you're either someone that's going to sell in a loss here because you need the money back, or you double down, you triple down, and you buy at this lower level and you put even more in and you lower your average entry or unit cost of each Shiba Inu that you buy. That's another way to look at it. It's always high risk, but Shiba Inu not looking too good right now, considering it was at 20 billion. It's down like a good 60 to 70%. Other coins in the space, we've got Top G 1500. This is a really cool meme coin with a developer who is walking to Romania to
happens 100 times a day.
The daily. It's a true story. It's a Solana meme coin, by the way. It's definitely worth having a look at. I will leave a link down below for you guys. But yeah, that's the guy right there. So he's an English guy walking from the UK to Romania to meet the Andrew Tate brothers. He made a meme coin out of this kind of story. So it's on Solana, $1.52 million on the market cap, $152,000 of liquidity, and just under 3,000 holders. I do think we could see some good buys and momentum coming for this when the market swings right. We could see more upside potential. So of course it's high risk, high reward. I don't know the future, but there's another one you can look at if you wanted to. And lastly, Crypto Allstars, quick update on this because a whale just recently bought like $50,000 worth, which is almost about to push it into the next tier, the next phase of the ICO. So the coin is not trading, it's a high risk, high reward one. You can see they've got their coin audits here by, websites like CoinSort, where they've gone through the contract and checked that the contract is all fine for security purposes. 1,270% per annum staking reward. So every 2,801, every Ethereum block reward, you're going to get 2.8k stars tokens. We can see 1 stars is 0.0014305, and in 21 hours the price of this coin will be going up. So it says join the first ever meme vault, buy and stake stars in pre-sale to earn max rewards. Revolutionary meme vault protocol, every top meme coin under one roof, insane rewards for stars holders. So yeah, if this could be an interesting one. 20% of the tokens are sold in the pre-sale, very easy to buy. You simply head to the website, connect your wallet, MetaMask, and convert either Ethereum or a Tether into your stars tokens. Of course, not financial advice, folks. Please go out there, do your own research with all of these coins, get into the habit of doing your own due diligence, understanding what you're looking at and why and what it is. And yeah, I think Allstars is another exciting one out there in the market. So that's a wrap really on Popcat. If you want to get trading, KYC free, unlock bonuses, and save money on trading fees, make sure to sign up as well to MEXC and KSEX down below to get trading, do all things that you need to there, leverage trade, shorts, longs, accumulation, Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. And check out my Patreon if you're new here. Thanks for watching, guys. Did you find the number? I want to know, did you find the number? And yeah, hopefully one of you guys will be that lucky winner of the prize reward, which did pop up on the screen somewhere. See you soon. Bye for now.